Hello everybody! Today I'm going to unbox, take a close-up look and test an Amazon warehouse condition used very good item will come in original packaging, packaging will be damaged. So let's first take a look around the outside of the Amazon external shipping box. So in this Amazon external shipping box is a Cooler Master MM720 gaming mouse that's been described as condition used very good item will come in original packaging, packaging will be damaged. So now let's go ahead and open the external Amazon shipping box. And taking a look directly inside and lifting out the Cooler Master MM720 gaming mouse and just setting the box to the side. So you have a full and clear look at this Cooler Master MM720 mouse with its external packaging that's been described as damaged. And now let's go ahead and open up this Cooler Master MM720 mouse's packaging. So doing so carefully with a sticky tape. As you can see, there is a bunch of clear packing tape keeping the box held together. And taking a look directly inside of the box, and let's slide the contents out from it. And just tipping out the entire contents from the box, and of course checking through, making sure nothing is left inside of it, and of course giving you an overall look at the condition of this product's box packaging. So as you can see, it does have a couple of Amazon warehouse stickers and the barcoding as well. Okay, so just setting the box to the side. So just setting it on the right hand side of the table and giving you a look at the contents which we've just removed from that box packaging. So those are all the parts of this Cooler Master MM720's box packaging. Okay, and taking a look at this packet here, there is a grip seal packet with a packet of alcohol pad and of course what appears to be the spare or replacement mouse skates or feet. So just setting that to the side and moving right along, there is what appears to be a user manual for the mouse. So giving you a look at the details of the user manual, front and back of this gaming mouse. Okay, and just setting that down and moving right along. To the main item itself, which is the Cooler Master MM720 gaming mouse, and this one is in glossy white. As you can see, the light playing off its glossy surface. And of course taking some close-up looks, starting from the extreme end of the gaming mouse, so you can see the condition of the item in close-up detail. So looking at the USB Type A plug, so right there giving you a close-up look at all the details, and moving along the lightweight fiber cable of this mouse. So we have a fully detailed look at the overall condition of this condition used, very good Amazon warehouse described product. And we reach the cable end of the mouse, so giving you that close-up look of this mouse, and of course the underside. So you can see up close the condition of this mouse. So giving you a look at all the aspects and a thorough look at its condition. And of course, testing the buttons out as well as the scroll wheel. Okay, so testing a very thorough close-up look at the buttons and of course the scroll wheel as well. Now let's go ahead and plug it in and see it light up. So have the Acer Swift 3 ultra thin laptop to the side, and we've just plugged the mouse's USB cable in, and you can see the mouse light up with that violet RGB lighting. So just tidying up the tabletop surface so you have a much clearer look without the background distractions. And of course, checking to see if the mouse responds and operates the way that it should. Just looking at my laptop screen and watching that mouse cursor move and respond. So it seems to work as it should. And of course the RGB lighting coming through its honeycomb shell design and scroll wheel as well. So that's an Amazon warehouse condition used. Very good. Item will come in original packaging. Packaging will be damaged. Thanks for watching and happy ordering.